What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video, and as you can tell, we are here at a storage locker. We paid $2,000 for this. It kind of gives us the vibe of our last QVC ladies that we bought.
What I do like is I see brand new.
We bought it because it looked like there's a bunch of brand new stuff, and let's hope there is actually a bunch of brand new stuff. Just found a couple totes of like custom jewelry, nothing crazy. I think there may have been a couple like pieces of silver and stuff inside of this one. That is pretty nice stuff. This was definitely silver. This was gold right here. She spent $200 on this, so that's actually a decent piece. Jade on some gold. A nice little box of purses. I don't see anything super big branded, but you know, not bad condition. Cartier, isn't that something good?
Cartier? It says Must Day Cartier, but I don't know.
What is Must Day Cartier? Is that actually Cartier, y'all? Let me know, because we're confused.
Why is there a moth in it?
Elliot Luca. Sandra Roberts. Just trying to see if there's any good brands, but I don't think there is. How much she spent on this? She spent $6. 2002 World Series.
Who is that?
Who won the 2002 World Series? Nice little flag pass right there as well. Pacific Bell Park, the home of San Francisco Giants. You can tell by the tag that's definitely vintage. Size small though, but definitely still good. Definitely a Giants fan. Look at that, San Francisco Giants. Oh, that was in the World Series, 2002 World Series. That's the Franklin Mint. All right, look at this. Is it Princess Diana? That's gotta be a couple bucks, right? The Franklin Mint is not a cheap brand, so. The Great Shoe Unit, look at that. We're just taking out whole stacks of shoes like that.
Holy smokes, Michael, you just brought this whole thing out?
Look at that little Coach box.
Yeah.
Little box of Coach. What? Look at that. She spent $325 on just this one purse alone. Also, she just had boxes, literally boxes of these shoes. Look at it. There's probably at least like 50 pairs of shoes just in here. I mean, they're not bad per se, but I mean, I don't know what we're gonna do with all these beat up shoes. Prima Loft collection. I've never heard of Prima Loft.
Alpen Rock.
Alpen Rock. Okay, what'd she spend on these? They're all just the same jacket with different color. That's I'm not showing. They're all literally the same jacket: blue, gray, red, pink, brown, black.
It doesn't show, but I would be willing to bet you.
She spent like $2,000.
I don't know. It just says the shipping.
This is everything received there, though. Look at this. Is like 20 pieces right there. Some leggings, some nice snow jacket. Like, come on, that's got to be like $2,000 retail, though. We're not getting that. We'll hopefully get like 500 to 1,000 though. She looks like a nice little hoarder. She bought a bunch of stuff. Look at some Uggs. She bought it and she never ever wore it. If you guys are curious at all where we're gonna find this at, it's going to be on our whatnot, starting for $1. Some Ugg boots. Those look pretty new for being out of the box. Some new tag clothing. This is crazy actually, guys. She literally never really wore anything, at least anything in this unit. It's starting to rain, y'all, so we were trying to get inside as soon as we can. But look at this. What are these called? Like the flats? Little platformers? I don't even know. Those are definitely some Michael Kors heels. I like the way this stack looks. Look what we got on the top right here. This lady just bought freaking like pallets of shoes or something, and they just got sent to her house. What? Some Ugg boots. Oh, okay. Another little jacket.
They look like collabs almost, don't they? Oh, wow.
Route 41.
Okay.
Yeah, it definitely looks like some sort of collab.
All right.
I wonder what it is. Can you guys let us know in the comments?
Got a little bird in there. See that?
Oh, okay. I thought it was Bonnie. Yeah, let us know anything about this because we have no idea. Michael Kors boots. All right, dang. Got the stripper boots. The Michael Kors stripper boots. That's got to be a couple bucks too. Look at the matching Uggs and Michael Kors stripper boots. The Ugg slippers. The Ugg slippy dippies.
Can I wear those?
No, you can't.
Size 7.
The new Dyson vacuum air. Oh, never mind. That's not a vacuum. That is a volume plus
Is it
shape.
new or open?
New. Definitely a couple bucks. Definitely a couple bucks right there.
Mike, that's a $300, maybe 4.
Definitely more than a couple bucks.
I bought Jessica one of these a couple years ago.
This is DB.
That's the Dooney and Burke.
It's our girl D&B. It just looked like a nice makeup bag from the outside. Merle Norman powder brow pencil. Okay, never heard of them, but we got a lot of them right now. Look at that. How random is that? This is a makeup box, right? And then we got this little clock, but it's like a springy cat. That's actually very cool. Ooh, that looks nice. That's definitely a nice bag, and I saw 2 of them. This unit is basically just, it looks to be a bunch of nice shoes and clothes and other new things in the box, but mainly new shoes and new clothes.
There's a lot of units we literally just come here, sort, go right to the unit. This is one of those units where all fine tooth comb, right? We don't know if there's a jewelry box at the bottom of that or it's all new clothes. We can't risk that at the flea market.
See, we got stuff like this as well. We're definitely not going through this whole box right here, right now, everybody, but it looks like a nice box of clothes. As you can tell, it's not just junk clothes. It's all in hangers and stuff. That may make sense. She might have had a store. She just has stuff like styrofoam wrapped like this. Put boxes together and styrofoam wrapped them herself. I don't know. But look at, there's like 8 shoes, a bunch of products down there. We moved the whole storage unit. We didn't load it too tall. We just loaded it pretty flat. All these wardrobes are literally full of stuff like this. Look at it. This is a used Coached purse. Come on now. And I see like 20 wardrobes just chilling. So definitely gonna be a good unit. All right, everybody. We are now back at the warehouse. Everything is now moved in. Just as the warehouse started to get empty, now it's not. It's just back to being full again. We spent about $2,000 on this unit, right? And just this horse alone, it's like upwards of $6,000 we saw online. I guess it's like a bronze horse or something. I don't know exactly. A bronze horse does sound pretty cool. We should hopefully get at least 3,000. If we see like 6,000 online, we're hoping for at least 3. Even 2 would be cool. If we get 2,000 for it, pays for the unit, right? And then we have everything, that you see in front of us for just pure profit. This whole row of clothing, the pirate said, was all like $100 to $200 pieces of nice, pretty much brand new or almost new like this. This is very clean. I'm pretty sure it has a tag somewhere. But this whole thing is all brand new, pretty much $200, $100 pieces of jackets and stuff. And this one, he saw like $500 on eBay. We get back here. We got stuff like this. Come on. Coach. We got just a bunch of purses. This lady actually bought a bunch of purses. Some weren't like as crazy and some were like nice Coach purses. This lady just had a bunch of nice brands, and the pirate thinks that we have about $100,000 in retail value. That's retail, of course. When you resell, you can usually get about half a retail depending on the items. That's just like on average as well. So if we have hopefully $100,000 in product, we might be able to get like 50 grand worth, right? Bunch of different nice shoe brands like Kate Spade as well. I never really heard of Kate Spade myself, but I know you ladies probably have.
Catherine Spadian.
Dang, this person spent like $500 on the Min Mins. Dang, how did she spend $500 on those? What the heck? Some Fries. I guess the pirate said this isn't a bad brand as well. He liked the Fry shoes. I'm assuming he looked it up and saw a high price. That's why he likes these. Also, we have like this whole corner of just straight up like wardrobes and boxes of like used clothes and like slightly newer, but probably used clothes as well. Obviously, it's not bad, you know? It's not like exactly what we're looking for. We like newer stuff or whatnot. See, look at this box. It's just like random clothing. It could be good. I have no idea. If we have some nice vintage pieces and stuff in here, obviously we're gonna keep it. But some of the stuff we're not gonna run. See, look at this. This is still a new with tag. H&M, but still new with tags. This will be ran 100%. Nice little pink dress. We speculate there's about $100,000 in retail value. So how much do you think we'll be able to sell it for?
We did 1 show. Actually, I think 2 shows, and I think we sold about $7,500. And I would say $2,500 was from other units. So we probably done 5,000 out of this unit so far.
Put a heart in the comments if you made it this far. We love seeing who's actually watched the full video. And peace out.